awesome support, Dave, from yourself today. Very much appreciated, mate. Thank you so much, Dave. Thanks a lot. And again, all the best to you and your family, mate. Thank you. Happy New Year, Florin. Yeah, I wonder who is Mike. Leave it there for the time being. That's where it's staying. Anyway, our emphasis now turns to the Emirates Airbus A380. Departing Manchester here as Echo Kilo 18 to Dubai, back to the Middle East, to Dubai International. During this New Year's Day show brought to you by Airliners Live. Hope you enjoyed it, everyone, and I hope you enjoy this final departure. Departs from Manchester back to Dubai. How was that? And as I say, in schedule today, that's where we're going to end this bonus New Year's Day show. The guys up there in the Nats Manchester Tower, keeping the ops going here on the ground at Manchester. Huge thanks, everybody. Thank you so much for getting involved today. Really does mean a lot. Means the utmost to myself and everyone behind the scenes. And again, a huge happy New Year to every single one of you. Happy 2025 and all the best for the upcoming year. And thank you so much for joining me today. Don't forget, guys, next live action, unpredictable, because we're supposed to be bringing you all the Jet 275 retirement flights. So keep your eye on our socials over here on YouTube, on X, and also on our Facebook. Keep your eye on all the notifications there for our upcoming Jet 275 retirement live shows. We are going to be getting all of those. So yeah, make sure you're subscribed. You got enough notifications, tick to all. Thank you so much for all your support today, everyone.
So what could you say?